Hi guys, it's Aviation here, and today I have another unboxing video for you guys of Gemini jets. I ordered two models. There will be two separate videos of them. So here's the box. It says on the outside of the box 1/400 scale American Airlines Boeing 777-300ER. I bought that along with a KLM City Hopper ERJ 175. So yeah, I don't know why it says quantity 6 pieces. It just has 2, so that's kind of confusing. But otherwise, let's get into this unboxing. So, oh, there's a model. Here's the KLM. There'll be a video of that soon. So this is here is the model. And if you haven't known, the Boeing 777 is my favorite aircraft, so I've been really wanting to get one of these. So 1/400 scale American Airlines. And then normal stuff on the back. So here's the model inside the box. This is what it says. You can read that real quick. And this is the thing. It's for every 4 inches. It's that much in real life. Same with the wingspan. So, yeah, let's get the model out of the box here. So I did buy these from diecastjets.com. I'll leave a link to them below. I have heard people say Diecast Jets isn't the best retailer, but I'm hoping my models won't be broken anyway. I do know RedRiverAviation, which he did buy models from Diecast Jets, and he had an incident. I'll leave a link down below to that video if you guys want to watch it. It's kind of interesting. So normal plastic. You got the normal plastic on the top. And then here's the model. So let's see. Oh, just come straight out. Normally it's anyway. Put this to the side. Here's the model. It's heavy. Let me get an up-close shot of it real quick. So here's an up-close shot of the model. It is very detailed, and this is the new release. The new February or January release. I don't remember which. Now, it does not have rolling landing gear. The landing gear barely rolls. That is a bummer. My other models, the landing gear rolls. But yeah, this does not roll at all. That's kind of sad. So you do have a lot of detail on the wing here. And the registration on this one is, let's get that in focus, November 735 Alpha Tango. And right now this aircraft is actually grounded, sadly. So this model actually is fairly good, I would say, except there's no rolling landing gear or anything. It's kind of sad. There is detail on the engines. Let me turn on the light real quick. Yeah, there is detail. You can see there's fan blade detail on both engines. And there is cockpit detail with the windows. I got my scale. We can weigh this, see how much it weighs. 8 ounces. It's not that much. It feels like a lot more. And then let's measure it. So the length is about 7 inches. The wingspan is about 6.5. And then the height is almost 2 inches. So, pretty big. So here, if I grab one of my other models to compare it with, my 787. So this is my 787 Aeromexico compared to my 777, so there's a big size difference. So now for the review of this aircraft. There's one thing that I really do not like, is that there's no rolling landing gear, which most all Gemini jets models have rollable landing gear. So I'm hoping that this is just a one-time thing, not like all the rest of the models for Gemini jets will have no rolling landing gear, which that'll just be really sad. But there's one thing that I don't like, because most models it's rollable like this, but you hear this right here, it's rolling, but you hear this, it's not rolling. Well, barely. No, not really. So that is kind of one thing I didn't really like, but overall there's most all detail in the aircraft. One thing that you can't really identify is the cargo doors. It is really hard to find. They really blend in, so that is kind of hard to see. So otherwise, most of the details and features are kind of cool. It does have the antennas, but it has a Wi-Fi bulb, but there is no bulb. It's just painted on there. But if I compare it to my 787, it actually has a Wi-Fi bulb on there. So this one doesn't. So it's kind of lacking a couple things. So rolling landing gear, missing some features, and yeah, that goes in the features. But mostly, otherwise, the aircraft is great. So out of 10 stars, I'd probably give it a 9. So 9 stars for this aircraft. That's basically all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm also making a model airport LAX, so this will be added to it. So I have more updates coming out. I'm working on that currently right now, so stay tuned for updates, and please subscribe to the channel if you like the video and like my content. So please subscribe. Also leave a like on the video. That would help out a lot. So like, comment, and subscribe, and that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video of my Gemini jets. This is Aviation. I'm signing off. Bye for now.